G'day guys, Matty from FOURBIE Sessions Australia. Just on my way down to Lake Haven Olsztun to get the new release put in. So I've got some new leaves from F.S.A, the 300 constant. So when the van goes on, it just squats like no tomorrow. But not only that, we've got the trundle drawer under now. The canopy's coming at the end of the year, and just filling that drawer up and putting the van on just really squats it. So we've gone 300. I'm hoping it's going to be enough. I might need 500. I know Big Blue I was actually running 500 all the time, but we'll try this 300 and see what happens. New lease, chuck it up on the hoist and get into it. So Chris was a little bit quick for me. He's already done one side of the extendable shackle. He's taken that side off of it, so it's just hanging there, and the front bolt to the lease is already loose, and we've got a jack stand underneath the diff. And you've got that front bolt's already undone. Good to go. Oh, so that's how you can extend the bump stops. Just fucking get a bigger one. Yeah. Copy that. I'd love to help you, but I've got a camera, so. It's as easy as that to get them out. Far out. That's heaps easier than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's just a process, they're not that hard.
Yeah.
Just make sure you do the U-bolts up. You get them coming in, and guys do like a full one side tight.
Yeah.
You have like 10mm this side and then 40mm this side, and they've actually rotated the U-bolt and twisted it and distorted it, which compromises it.
Yep, for sure. So you got to do them up even.
Nice and evenly.
Yeah. Like a tyre too, like a stud putt.
Yep.
Yeah, right. Awesome. Lubed up the bushes. Lube comes in the pack, which is pretty cool. So they're all put in. Got the new ones in on the chassis as well. So I'll swing up new lift, chuck it in. Thought I'd better give him a little hand.
Has landed.
So they go up. Yeah, right. This is me assisting. Discount. So check these after 1,000 goes kind of thing?
Yeah. Always loose.
Yep. There you have it. All done up. Got new Nylux on here, which is awesome. And they're greasable, so that's pretty cool. Leaves are all in. See how much we gained. So we gained 130mm. That much more that I had to use eye-lift jack to get the van on. Anyway guys, I'll bring you more videos the more I keep doing. Have a good one.